Assalamualaikum, Mohsin.
if
Mohsin's
वालेकुम
like, what
अस्सलाम,
the
क्या
hell
हाल
is
है
going
यास्मिन?
on?
I
हम
just
सीधे रिकॉर्डिंग में
watched it.
चलेंगे, कोई अपडेट नहीं, कोई सीन नहीं. हमने कहा चल
मुझे
यार कोई मसला नहीं है,
अच्छी
बस हम
अच्छी
रिकॉर्डिंग
बात
करते हैं,
है,
हम यही फन करते हैं.
यही अच्छी
नहीं
बात है,
बस ये
should be
record.
impromptu.
No, there will be like a hook जो कि मैंने चैट जीपीटी से जनरेट करवाया है, but I am not going to try that hook. I'm gonna do my own thing. उससे पहले दो, just to come
Do
on
the
to this
hook, do the
discussion.
hook, do the hook.
Okay, I'll do
I'm
the
for
hook.
the
I'll
hook.
do the
Go
hook.
all in, Ali.
We'll see you struggle. How do you reproduce that hook that is designed by ChatGPT?
अच्छा जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम everybody. My name is Ali and welcome to another episode of Chai Shai. I, along with my hosts Yasir and Mohsin, are going to talk about games, the games industry in Pakistan, and controversial topics. Before we start off today's episode, I'd like to ask all my fellow hosts, Yasir, how are you doing today?
I am good, having a lot of fun as usual.
Mohsin, what about you?
Not too bad यार, चल रहा है. सर्दी एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, पूरे दिन यहाँ पे बारिश होती रही है. तो बारिश के बाद अब जब सूरज गुरूब हो रहा होता है, फुल धूप निकल आई है. तो मुझे यहाँ का
हाँ.
मौसम समझ नहीं आ रहा अभी. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ, मैं ना कोई वेदर की कोई ना ऐप बनानी चाहिए जिसके में अगर वेदर ऊपर नीचे होता रहे और उसमें आप किस तरह खुश हो सकते हैं. या सर आपको क्या हो एकदम से, आप वो कौन सा है वो इटालियन पेंटर है, मैं उसका नाम भूल गया हूँ, जो पुराना सा एक इटालियन
I
पेंटर है,
think you
उसकी तरह
mean
You are
गिला के.
I think you
stereotyping
mean
me because of
French.
a cap.
I think you mean French, Mohsin.
Oh, sorry यार, my bad, French. Geography is not my strong
You are in UK, you guys hate French. So of course you're going to say Italian.
My heart is still in Lahore. I don't care about the UK that much.
Your heart is in the plate of Nihari. It's not
वो
even
ना
in Lahore.
लाहौर में वो खाने के ऊपर हम साथ में, और जो अपने सारे दोस्त यार थे, लेकिन मेरी जख्मों पे नमक ना छिड़के ये बता के कि मैं लाहौर में नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे लिए बड़ा मुश्किल है ये चीज समझना कि मैं लाहौर में क्यों नहीं हूँ. बट एनी हाउ, इट्स अ ट्रांजिशन.
वो पीटीवी पे डॉक्यूमेंट्री चलती थी ना जिसमें सैड सा सितार बज रहा होता था पीछे. So that's your life story. Whenever you talk about not being in Lahore, वो सितार पीछे नहीं होता था.
बहुत
ऐसे
Way
करके.
to rub
That
it.
should play.
I'm gonna intervene here and I'm gonna stop Yasir from rubbing this in on you. Today's topic is going to be about our summer program. So the summer program, in summary, is a
Yeah,
fellowship.
for
is
some
a
reason, Ali,
Uh-huh.
you sound like Sahir Lodi.
Who the? I need to double check who. Oh no! Shit! Why was
Have you
no?
ever heard him on his वो FM वाला जो उसका रेडियो चल रहा है, और forget क्या होता है, 89 whatever. You just sounded like him. But that's a compliment, dude. He's a good RJ. मतलब अच्छा
Yeah,
बंदा है
what
यार.
the heck,
RJ
Mohsen? Why could you do
सही
this
करता
to
है यार.
me?
He's a
Have
good
you seen
RJ,
his
but people
Instagram,
call him
dude?
China का शाहरुख. आजकल तो वैसे
हाँ,
टीमू का शाहरुख खान हो गया.
आजकल
Timu
टीमो
ke
चल रहा
Shahrukh Khan. You should see his Instagram and you will die.
है. I love
It
his
is some
Instagram.
peak comedy. Peak comedy. I mean, इतना
भाई हार गए
जबरदस्ती का
आज.
ओवर बंदा है ना वो. इतना जबरदस्ती का
मैं
ओवर बंदा
वैसे
है
I
वो.
think
मेरी
we should review his Instagram. I think that's something we should do.
यार बहुत he's doing a fabulous job. मेरे ख्याल से बहुत बॉम्ब काम कर रहा है वो.
Mohsen,
He's
I
like,
could
he has
I
understood.
could have my brother. I could have my brother do the exact same thing. मेरे मुंह पे कैमरा फेंक दे. Let me just
No,
share my
no,
screen.
you can't. You're not, because you don't understand. You're not Sahir
I'm
Lodi.
not Sahir Lodi.
You need to be.
I'm not
You need to
Sahir
be
Lodi.
Sahir Lodi
You
to
just
sort of like. Have you seen Hamesh Reshamiya's Instagram? Only Hamesh can do that and get 1 million views. Nobody else can do that. He's just lip singing on his own songs
Hamesh.
and he gets 1 million views. You
He
don't know
lip
who
syncs
Hamesh
his
is?
own songs.
He lip sings his own songs. He gets 1 million views.
वैसे to
Only
be
he can
fair,
do it.
most of his songs are auto-tuned anyway, so he's kind of like lip syncing वैसे भी when he
But
actually sang them for the first time.
lekin Yasir, the songs were like a hit 15 years ago.
Yeah,
That
that's fine. Okay, a lot of Atif
yeah.
Aslam songs were a hit as well, but he's a terrible singer, of course. So,
Let's not get into
um,
the Atif debate, because Atif is by far the best singer that Pakistan has produced over the past
oh my God,
10 years.
How
oh
could
my
you?
God.
No, highly
Yes.
disagree. Highly disagree. You're
Have you
missing out
have
on
you
Putting
all
heard
that
him
drop.
in the list of singers,
I'm sorry.
putting him in the list of
Yes,
singers is a crime already.
have you
And
heard him live?
already. I
Ma-
agree with you.
Have you heard him live?
dude, have
Mohsen.
you heard EP Live?
I have heard EP live.
Yes. Have you heard
EP
EP?
is a
You should.
EP was a scene.
EP was a
That
very
was
good
live.
band, But if you're saying Fawad is a better singer than Atif, then I'm sorry, he's not. He's a good singer. He's not better than Atif.
No, so Fawad is a
Okay.
much better singer, first of all, as compared to Atif.
No,
But when you talk about
no.
singers, my category of singers is very different. Matlab, there are much better singers out there
Yes.
than
He's
Atif.
not
I mean,
like
we're
the
we're
classically
looking at
trained singers and
we're
whatnot,
skipping the
but like,
classics. Yeah.
yeah, not that, but
No,
like,
no, no,
like,
that's fine. But for God's sake, मतलब he sounds like to me sounds like that goat you जो अपनी ईद पे नहीं लेके आते और बांध देते हैं घर के बाहर, वो अकेला हो जाता है अचानक रिवर से निकल के आपके गराज में बंधा हुआ,
Oh
एंड जब
my
वो बै
God,
बै
stop
करता है, that's how
calling
Atif Aslam sounds to me. So honestly,
Josh.
I don't think so. I don't think so. You've heard Atif sing live then. Simple.
I
But
have I
I
have
like
heard
him.
him sing live जब वो उसमें था, जब उसने आदत गाया था, उस वक्त भी मैंने सुना है उसको.
नहीं जल वो तो उस वक्त तो शिट था वो, मुझे तो उस वक्त वो अच्छा भी नहीं लगता था. I heard him. I went to a concert with Junoon. By Junoon I mean Ali Azmat, Salman Ahmed, and Mikal Hassan was playing bass because Brian wasn't in Pakistan. And I heard them in Alhambra open air wala, ये था Gaddafi के साथ, and they just blew me away. लेकिन उसके बाद रात को कोई 12 बजे आतिफ आया और उसने 2 बजे तक हमें बैठने नहीं दिया. He was just too good. The
It
energy
was
just,
your teenage hormones acting up.
Yes,
It
it
was
was
not
a
Atif Aslam.
nostalgia. Yeah, I don't think
no.
it was
I
Atif. It was just nostalgia kicking
Yasser,
in.
I saw Ali Azmat sing live. Ali Azmat Junoon, literally Iltija, is heard in the 90s.
You are very quickly you're losing respect at the speed of light at this moment, because now
Why?
you have just hated on Ali Azmat and compared him to Atif
No,
Aslam
no, no. You
and called
no,
Atif a
no,
better singer.
no. What you said was maybe they were teenage hormones. I said no. I saw Junoon pehle, and as a live act, Atif just blew me away. Atif was too good.
I
उसने जो
personally
2 घंटे वो किया था ना,
personally feel
crazy.
उस era में there was only one band who could really do live act, and that was EP.
No,
That
Noori was
was
very
straight.
good live.
Noori
No,
was good.
Noori
Noori was
was
really, really good. Noori
amazing.
was up
Noori
there.
was
But EP
amazing.
was
I'm a
3-4
big
hours
Noori
of
fan.
continuous headbanging
Yeah.
in
Noori
the
was
concert.
really
It
good.
was crazy scene.
I never liked EP. I liked their studio albums, but as a band, they never made sense. Like too many people. I
They
mean,
were a Desi Linkin Park. They were a Desi Linkin Park. It made
too many
absolute sense.
people. Like उनकी videos में कभी-कभी 2 drummer थे. क्यों? It's the same thing. It's not different.
That's how bros are. That's how bros are.
That's
It's
crazy.
You
it's
give
yeah, it's
everybody an
the lads
opportunity.
having a good time. Yep, the lads having a good time.
यार वो
Don't you see
EP
when
से
we
ना
making jams, when we do
Sorry,
game
you're saying?
jams, ये नहीं देखा होता कि मैं बस खाली ये कह रहा था कि that's just the lads having a good time. देखा नहीं तो हम लोग जब game jams organize कर रहे होते हैं तो पीछे लगे होते हैं बच्चे हमारे कि यार मुझे मेरा एक ये दोस्त है इसको भी साथ कराना है, मुझे इसको भी इन करा दो, इसको भी इन करा दो, होता है. It's just the lads, the
You're
boys.
comparing a game jam with like EP. It literally मतलब उसका
Dude.
थोड़ा सा होता तो चाहिए.
What-
And they all
what
of them
more?
had too much egos. I mean, they would have been literally
Yeah.
वो अगर
That's
5-6
kind
साल
of why
और
they broke
रहते.
off.
Yeah, they have like
So do you think Zulfi had ego? I think I haven't found anybody more humble than Zulfi in Pakistani music.
no. Basically, generally as a group, that's what I've heard in interviews. They all said we had too much egos to sort of be in like a band ka unit.
Yes,
don't
some
know
of
Zulfi.
them. I'm not going to name which ones, but of course Zulfi. Zulfi is the most humble
I
guy
don't
I've
know.
seen in the Pakistani music scene.
I don't know Zulfi.
I
don't know any
Zulfi,
of them
so
to
I
be
know.
honest. My sister actually knows Zulfi really well. I'll ask her. Yeah.
Be my guest, and if she says he's a very humble guy, you'll come to the next live session and you'll shit on Atif Aslam in front of us. You'll say,
Why? I just said as a band they had big egos. अगर एक बंदे की नहीं है तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ?
नहीं
But
मौसम,
I will never shit on Atif.
मैं किसी रेस्टोरेंट में बैठता हूँ ना, any restaurant that I am a regular in, they all know they basically put Atif Aslam out of playlist when I go and sit there.
You know, Yasir, I now understand why you don't like Atif Aslam.
क्यों?
I now know because you are friends with Jals. You're friends with
नहीं, by the
Jals.
way, I was never, of course, Farhan was my batchmate, but we didn't have much of a connection. हमारी कोई सलाम दुआ भी नहीं.
I met him once. I was somewhere एक जगह पे, and I met him. वहाँ पे अपनी video edit करवा रहा था, and I was there with some friends, and I knew the guy who was editing his video, and मैं दफ्तर में गया तो मैंने उसको ऐसे सलाम किया, because I knew the guy who was editing. Yeah, मोहसिन क्या हाल है? और साथ ही फरहान बैठा था, सिगरेट पी रहा था. तो मैंने कहा अस्सलाम वालेकुम. कहता है वालेकुम सलाम. मेरे को भाई एटीट्यूड है बॉय में यार, क्यों करता है वालेकुम सलाम. मैंने कहा
जब मेरा दोस्त नहीं है, आई डोंट नो,
लेकिन आपका
हमारी कोई दोस्ती
बैचमेट
नहीं.
जरूर है.
बैचमेट है.
आई नाउ नो कि क्यों है ये, मुझे समझ आ गई है.
देयर यू आर, दैट्स द राइट क्या कहते हैं ना, आउटलुक अली
You
की.
look really different, Ali. How do you do
Yeah,
this, by the way?
I got shocked myself actually, and the camera angle is not correct. My camera angle as in
This
because when
you have to
I'll
sit
always-
slightly like this, ऐसे करके पीछे मुंह करके.
yeah, that is just constantly sit
this
like
way,
this.
exactly. This is how you need to sit.
This is how I'm sitting throughout this recording. Oh, my microphone's hiding, which is great.
अगर आप लोगों की कोई एक्स नहीं है, मैं आपको एक्स दिखाता हूँ. ये होता है एक्स. जब ये पीछे लगा हो ना,
मसला है
दुनिया-
गूगल की
दुनिया
रीफ्रेमिंग में ना
बदलते हैं.
एडजस्ट हो जाता है, कुछ नजर नहीं आ रहा, सिर्फ एक हल्का सा कुछ नजर आ रहा है.
और नहीं आ रहा. ओ शिट यार, फिर मैं चेंज कर.
जरा
मुझे नहीं
हल्का
एक्स चाहिए.
हल्का सुरूर.
Mohsin, I have worked so hard to create this background. In this background,
Yeah,
I have music instruments that I don't know how to play. Legos that I do play with, and a lot of books that I've actually read. Not unlike most people who have books as background that they have never read. So I've put a lot of effort in building this background. Why would I change it with something else?
नहीं, I
Oh,
agree.
shit.
I like your background. I've been into your office. अच्छा है यार, आपने अच्छे सेट किया हुआ है यार.
वो आई थिंक एक ओरिएंटेशन में ही बच्चे कहते हो पीछे देखो मेरे मारियो लगा हुआ है, पीछे मारियो लगा.
For sure. No. It takes a while to make a zoom background, like a natural zoom background. For the longest time, people didn't believe like my actual background for the people who are curious. My Bluetooth
So
mouse has stopped
here's a
working.
funny story. Here's a funny story. So COVID में I was running all sorts of experiments. So जब बल्कि हम actually we was recording one of the shows, तो उस show से मुझे कुछ idea आया, and what I did was I kind of like created some stock footage of myself sitting like this and kind of like from time to time nodding my head a bit, and I would often use that as a background and not sit in front of the camera.
Haha,
And
no
use that
OBS.
in
I
meetings.
did that
इसमें I
too.
didn't really need to. So
I was.
the funniest
saw
was then I was
Sir
like, I
Noman,
was
I mean,
having
if you
too
ever
much
read
fun.
this, Sir Noman, I mean, if you ever listen to this, I'm sorry. आपकी classes में मैं सो जाता था. मैं OBS चला के मेरे यही हरकत होती थी. I had a couple of pre-recordings of myself, and I would run them on my classes, and I would just go back and sleep. But yes, that is a very common thing that happens as
So
well.
so मेरा ये था, I started having too much fun. And so then I started creating backgrounds where I was actually sitting in the call and I would be moving around behind myself, picking up stuff, doing things, picking up mugs, putting them back in. इस तरह की चीजें. Then I started creating videos where a hand would come out from different directions and signal stuff and do things, or my head would pop up from one place. So एक दिन बल्कि कोई मीटिंग थी जिसमें कोई बड़ी सीरियस बात चल रही थी, suddenly a hand popped up and like everybody started laughing कि ये क्या है. So yeah, I get carried away with my क्या कहते हैं schemes.
That's lovely.
अच्छा,
Everybody
Actually, this
should, I
hat
think.
suits me. I think I'm going to get one for winter. This winter I'm going to wear this, and I should get these big black glasses as well. I think they also suit me. I'm gonna go for this look. This
I
actually
feel like
looks.
most. Yasser, I think skip the glasses because they're slightly feminine. I think the glasses that you have right now work perfectly. The cap, definitely go for it.
And not, of course, exactly like this, but glasses that are a bit more. Although I've already have darker glasses, darker frame, but I think I will go for even thicker frame.
I get you. I get
This
you.
is
I get you.
this is very interesting conversation.
Yeah,
चाय में
I
क्या
had-
कर रहे हो यार अली? अली, you are running the show. क्या तुम बातें कर रहे हो चाय में यार?
Dude,
सर्दी में
it's
कपड़े
supposed to
पहनने
be.
हमने.
That's
You-
it's supposed
you
to.
have the
So we
torch.
talked. The other day I was talking to Hamza about Chai Shai and a couple of other brandings, and he was like, leave Chai Shai to be like that casual conversation that a bunch of dudes are sitting and talking about at night. You can cut off whatever stuff that's controversial, and I will do that.
No, you
But,
should then in अगर वो करना है उसमें you don't cut off any controversial stuff, because that's a conversation.
But-
Then you don't do that, right?
Yeah. नहीं but
नहीं, I think for controversial stuff, I'm going to start another thing, and I'm going to put it behind paywall.
ये
अच्छा, पैसे
I'm
दे
going
के
to I'm going to start Cigar with Yaar वाली वो podcast. I
यार,
think
हाँ, वो
that's going to
करनी
be
चाहिए
my
यासिर,
controversial podcast.
उसमें मैं बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हूँ यार।
हाँ for sure
उसमें
do
मैंने
that.
एक शो करना है, प्लीज प्लीज, मैंने एक शो करना है, वो आपके एक
हम्म।
दोस्त है, मैं यार नाम भी लूंगा, उनके साथ करना है, लेकिन वो सियासत पे होगा।
नहीं, उस पे नहीं हो सकता। मुझे क्यों आपने उठवाना है?
देखिए, मैं तो बाहर हूँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं होने वाला।
नाम तो मेरा ना, शो तो मेरा है। उन्होंने तो मुझे उठाना है। आप बाहर हैं, उनको कोई हाथ नहीं लगाता, तो
हाँ,
मैं रह जाता हूँ बीच में इक्वेशन में।
यार आप फिर जैद हामिद बन जाए।
यार कैसी बातें कर रहा है। पहले इसने आतिफ असलम को अच्छा सिंगर का, अभी मुझे जायद अहमद से मिला रहा है।
मैं कह रहा
मोहसिन,
हूँ जैद हामिद बन
It's
जाए।
okay. It's okay. He called me
वैसे
Sahir
उसको भी
Lodi, so we're okay.
इस तरह की टोपी तो वो यार, हैव यू एवर हर्ड साहिर लोधी? ही इज अ
Dude,
गुड आरजे डूड, सीरियसली, ही इज अ गुड आरजे। You do know
I
he's like
can't.
a really smart, he's a very smart guy, right?
क्या
He
bro?
has a PhD
मैंने
in
कौन
like
सी
chemical engineering.
for what? I
Yeah,
I
yeah.
saw his interview. I saw an interview of him. He was like, आप बस मुझे 300 इंजीनियर्स दे दें और
Yeah,
मुझे 6 महीने दे दें, मैं मुल्क के सारे
yeah.
मसले रिसॉल्व कर लूंगा। I
यार,
was
अगर
like,
तुम पाकिस्तान में बहुत से इस तरह के आईटी इंडस्ट्री में लोग हैं जो यही लाइन कहते हैं। ये कोई लंबी बात नहीं है।
ऑन अ साइड नोट दो, वैसे
और
हमारे
सही
मसले ना
कह रहा है
इतने कोई
वो।
बड़े भी नहीं है।
हाँ,
अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, मतलब रियलिस्टिकली स्पीकिंग, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम अपने लोन की बात करते हैं, कितना लोन पाकिस्तान पे, लेट्स गूगल दैट, कितना लोन है?
a
6
billion
बिलियन,
something,
6
6 बिलियन
बिलियन,
6
डॉलर
billion.
6 बिलियन डॉलर इज नथिंग अगर
कुछ
आप
भी नहीं
ग्लोबल
है,
कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बात करें।
जिल्च।
ठीक है।
हाँ,
मोस्ट ऑफ आवर इकोनॉमी इन लॉट ऑफ केसेस इज नॉट अफेक्टेड बाय ग्लोबली क्या हो रहा होता है।
हम्म,
ठीक है। We can't like literally are in isolation because other sector 90% sector informal है। ठीक है। सब कुछ है, there are a
हम्म,
lot of insurance, और ये चीजें हमारी मार्केट में इतनी हैविली की नहीं इनकी इन्होंने सराहियत कि इस तरह के ग्लोबल फैक्टर्स की इम्पैक्ट आए। सो एक्चुअली में हमारे मसले कोई इतने बड़े नहीं है। देयर इज नॉट मच टू आवर इश्यूज एक्चुअली, एंड इफ यू हैव द विलिंगनेस टू सॉल्व दोज इश्यूज, तो वो सॉल्व भी हो जाएंगे।
हाँ,
नॉट
मसले
नॉट
तो
दैट आई एम सेइंग कि मुझे 300 इंजीनियर दे दें और मैं कर दूंगा। आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि एक्चुअली में वैसे, टू बी फेयर, हमारे मसले इतने कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं है।
हमारे यहाँ से मुझे लगता है हमारे मसले ना कॉम्प्लेक्स इस वजह से नहीं, बिकॉज हम हो सकता है दूसरे मुल्कों के ना मसले में बड़े लगते ही ना हो, क्योंकि वो हमारे लिए मसले नहीं है। ये बहुत एक फैक्टर है जो कि एटलीस्ट मुझे यहाँ आके भी फील हुआ है कि कुछ यहाँ पे मसले हैं जो कि आप पाकिस्तान में होते हैं, आप कहते हैं यार ये क्या मसला है, वो उस मसले पे यहाँ पे 10 साल लगा देते हैं। फॉर इंस्टेंस, यहाँ पे मुझे एक बंदा मिला, वो ना QA करता है हॉस्पिटल्स में, राइट? तो यहाँ पे जहाँ पे मैं हूँ अभी ऑक्सफोर्ड में, उधर हेल्थ सेक्टर बहुत स्ट्रांग है। तो वो कहता है यहाँ पे ना QA का केस खुला हुआ है। आई मुझे एग्जैक्टली वो केस अब याद नहीं, बट इट वाज समथिंग टू डू विद देयर इज सम प्रोटोकॉल, सम शिट, राइट? प्रोक्योरमेंट का प्रोटोकॉल था कोई, आई डोंट नो कि क्या था, उसने मुझे बताया था उस वक्त। कहता है वो 1.5 साल से चल रहा है, 1.5 साल से चल रहा है, और अभी उस एक प्रोटोकॉल की वजह से, जो कि लिटरली इतना बड़ा भी नहीं है, एंड द गाय इज आल्सो फ्रॉम द सब कॉन्टिनेंट हु वाज टेलिंग मी अबाउट इट, तो वो कहता है इतना बड़ा भी नहीं है, हमारे पिछले 1.5 साल से हमारी प्रोक्योरमेंट में ना 15 करोड़ मसले आए हुए हैं, और मसला यूं आराम से हल हो सकता है। तो इस तरह के यहाँ पे इस तरह इतनी चीजें मिलती हैं आपको, फिर आपको आप कहते हो यार ये क्या है, यहाँ पाकिस्तान में तो ये चीज यूं हो सकती है। सही सही।
हाँ नहीं यार, देखो,
I
इवन
think-
इवन लॉट ऑफ फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कंट्रीज, the way things are, for example, if you look at South Korea's population growth rate yearly जो है, it's not negative, and I think -0.1 है उनका growth rate. Japan is like -0.5. You can't really turn around from those negative population rates. On the other hand, 60% of our population is young. If we just figure out how to put those brains in the right direction, so जिस डायरेक्शन में हम जा सकते हैं जितना पोटेंशियल है, and I'm not being jingo nationalist here, I'm just putting simple maths to this logic. So there is so much potential. I think जितना हमारा 60-70% यूथ बल है, I think जापान is now 60% उनकी ओल्ड पॉपुलेशन है, उल्टा है,
या
Hmm.
कंप्लीटली इनवर्स है.
वो बच्चा कहीं ना
से
वहाँ पे
और
वो
को
करते
अब
ही नहीं
वही
है.
है, पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट इज
या
-0.5%. सो तो एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो. आई थिंक I've read some stuff on this. I don't think so कि इस तरह के नेगेटिव रेट से they can turn around. मतलब
दे
it's
कांट इन द
not even a
लॉन्ग रन.
possibility unless को बहुत को ड्रास्टिक मेजर हो जो कि possible नहीं है, तो there is 90% chance के they can't turn it around from this kind of rate, which means मतलब वो
Oh my
your
God.
economy implodes ना, more and more old people, not a lot of people to work. मतलब the only way for them is to now have insane immigration policies to kind of like turn themselves
या
around. And that kind of like for a lot of countries nowadays is perceived to get brings in more problems as
या
compared to solutions. So
I just
मतलब
looked up some
your population is
stats
going to implode.
actually.
You'll have more. You need to spend more on healthcare. You need to spend more on everything, on pensions and all that stuff. And you don't have a lot of people who will produce because everybody's old. So it's scary. मतलब
For sure.
yes, वही बात है, insane population growth rates are not great as well, जैसे हमारी population grow करती है, but the point is कि that youth is potential, and I think that is a good segue to getting into what we want to talk about, youth का potential.
I agree
ओके,
with
दिस इज
you.
व्हाट वी आर
And one of
कवरिंग,
the
यूथ का
things that
पोटेंशियल.
No, so what we're actually covering is what we're trying to do to enhance that youth's potential. One of the initiatives that we do is the summer program, which is essentially a 2-month fellowship where young and aspiring people who want to build a career in the games industry come to us and we help them get a first look crash course experience of what it takes to be a game designer, a game developer. Um, and what better people to talk about the summer program than Mohsen and Yasser, who have been doing this program for a few years at this point. So, Mohsen, if you can, like short and punchy, if you can just walk us through what the summer program entails. Go.
कूल. सो 30 सेकंड पिच ये होगी ऑफ द समर प्रोग्राम कि अगर आपने गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री में आगे काम करना है तो आपको कुछ चीज़ें समझनी चाहिए. उसका ये मतलब नहीं है आपको उन चीज़ों में आप एक्सपर्टीज हासिल कर लो, लेकिन जो गेम डेवलपमेंट की पाइपलाइन में 3 मेजर फैसेट्स होते हैं, डिजाइन, प्रोग्रामिंग एंड आर्ट्स. आप में उसमें हारमोनी के साथ आप उसका एक एक्सपोजर ले सको. तो समर प्रोग्राम बेसिकली यही है कि आप गेम डेवलपमेंट पाइपलाइन जिसके ऊपर ग्लोबल गेम्स बनती हैं, उसके 2 महीने के अंदर अंदर आपको एक बड़े हारमोनियस वे में वो पूरी पाइपलाइन, एक तो आपको पहले टेक्निकली समझाई जाती है और फिर आपको वो टेक्निकली जब आप जो समझते हो उसको फिर प्रैक्टिकली इम्प्लीमेंट करवा के भी दिखाया जाता है. इसके साथ साथ जो और दूसरी बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है एक्सपोजर के रेफरेंस से, कि आपको हमारी इंडस्ट्री में या फिर हमारे मुल्क में ज़्यादातर इंडस्ट्रियल मेंटरशिप बहुत कम होती है. हम वो बहुत टीचर स्टूडेंट रिलेशनशिप वाले फेज में चलते हैं. तो इसके अंदर हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया एक वो मेंटरशिप का एक पूरा का पूरा एनालॉजी और एक कॉन्सेप्ट, जिसके अंदर आप आते हो और आपके पास एक इंडस्ट्रियल मेंटर होता है. इसके बाद पूरा 1 महीना लगाते हो और उससे आपने जितनी इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सट्रैक्ट करनी है, बीट एक्सपीरियंस, बीट टेक्निकल प्रोफिशिएंसी, बीट व्हाटएवर, राइट, माइंडसेट चेंज करना है, जो भी आप उसे कह लो, आपको आपके पास उसका एक भरपूर एक महीने का पूरा टाइम होता है और आप ये कर सकते हो. तो एसेंशियली दिस इज व्हाट द समर प्रोग्राम इज ऑल अबाउट. एंड यासिर ने चूंकि ज्यादा इस पे काम किया, यासिर भी बता सकते हो मैं कोई चीज मिस कर दी हो, लेकिन दिस इज माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इट. दिस इज व्हाट हाउ आई सी इट.
I think that's a fair enough understanding. Point is कि अगर हम सिर्फ गेम्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से बात करें, but let's take a step back and talk about a generalized concept of how do we enable our youth. So, of course, the first challenge that we see is awareness about things. But once you have created enough awareness, or if you put too much attention to just creating awareness, it creates a lot of disappointment as well because there aren't many avenues. So what we wanted to do was to kind of like start an avenue that gives people an opportunity to do something or enables them in certain way. Um, so that's where it started from. And the agenda was one part agenda to put Pakistan on the global map of game development. And so if you want to do that, you can't have a unidirectional approach. And unidirectional approach is to, let's say, okay, if you want to solve the talent problem, you come up with a program that trains people to work in the industry. So that's for sure is a big chunk of it. But then you want to have a very open program where you help people discover and realize their potential. So when you talk about that, that means, so that's why we call it not a program to train people for the industry, not just that, but to also kind of like help them explore building games. So what that essentially does is, if you create something with this open mindset, so you produce people who go and work with the industry, in the industry, they go and freelance as well, and then they also create new studios. So we wanted all of these outcomes, and so this was done primarily. This also elevates us from this agenda, because anybody and everybody who decides to invest in their people would want to train people for themselves. Of course, you come work for us, we train you for that. Everybody has to kind of like do that. Every good organization does. So if you're not doing that, you are not the right organization for people to work in. But you can't build ecosystems that way. So you need to think bigger. You need to think broader. So that was the whole thought process behind it. Okay, let's give a lot of people avenues to building games, and kind of like then let them be. And if they love building games, give them more reasons to build games. And if they don't love building games, then fine, we have given them this path where they have come in, they have tried something, and now they know how to go about hunting for an avenue and using it to kind of like get to a certain point in their life. So yeah.
और जस्ट टू सॉर्ट ऑफ ऐड,
Absolutely.
यासिन ने जो सब बातें की हैं, उसमें एक चीज जो एटलीस्ट मुझे पिछले 4-5 साल में समझ आई है कि जो आपने कोई इकोसिस्टम बनाना होता है, उसके अंदर लर्निंग का कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आप डिफाइन कैसे करते हो, तो अगर आपका लर्निंग का कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि आपने 4 साल यूनिवर्सिटी गए हो, पहले आपने मैट्रिक किया, फिर आपने एफएससी की, फिर आप या फिर ओ लेवल्स, ए लेवल्स, व्हाटएवर जो भी आपने रूट लिया, फिर आपने अंडर ग्रेड किया, और फिर आप एक ट्रेंड प्रोडक्ट और फिनिश प्रोडक्ट हो, तो दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग। ये तो मेरे ख्याल से फंडामेंटली ही पूरा जो हमारा सिस्टम बना है पाकिस्तान में, उसमें बहुत बड़ा फ्लॉ। तो समर प्रोग्राम में हमने ये भी कोशिश की कि हम कोई एक लर्निंग का पर्सपेक्टिव दें, जहाँ पे हम हमारे एक्सपीरियंस में ये देखा कि बच्चों का जो टेक स्टैक है वो भी ऊपर गया, और उनको कल्चर की भी काफी अंदर बेहतर तरीके से समझ आई कि अच्छा गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री में कल्चर होता कैसे। तो दे हैड टू अनलर्न टू लर्न इन अ वेरी literally catalyzed fashion, and it sort of worked. I don't know how, but it did. और काफी बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो कि इस प्रोग्राम से निकल के पाकिस्तान की गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री में काम करें, कुछ ग्लोबल इंडस्ट्री में भी काम करें। तो ये है, आई डोंट नो कि शुरू में सवाल क्या था, बट हमने काफी चीजें इसमें cover
Or इसमें, by the way, those of them who actually did not end up working in the gaming industry, actually we have had unanimously very positive reviews of their performance in, let's say, tech companies that they have joined. So because they just have a different mindset. So we kind of like discovered this on the way, that actually games are a great tool to train that mindset as well. जो हमें चाहिए to build the technology industry of Pakistan. So games are a great avenue for doing that as well.
For sure. I think you guys explained the philosophy around it very well. I'd just like to sort of give some quick action points on this. So this is the fellowship program, essentially a 2-month program. The first month is basically an exposure session. We have industry leaders, I believe close to 20 industry leaders that come in and give these sessions to our students around a variety of topics, including art, game design, and programming. So they cover, it's obviously you can't cover everything there needs to be done in game design, but we call them essentially exposure sessions, and the whole point of that is to just get our students the idea of what it takes to make games. And in the second month we have what we call a rookie game jam. So essentially it's a month long game jam where teams are built amongst all the students, and they create a fully shippable game based on a few through some of the concepts that we covered in the exposure session. And then simultaneously they are coupled with some mentors, also leading individuals from the industry, that guide them in making their game playable, enjoyable, and shippable. So it's a really fun process in terms of like what impact this fellowship program has achieved so far. To this date, we've trained over 4,500 students. We've touched more than 100 universities across Pakistan. And it's not just from an exposure and education impact point of view. This program has later created 600 plus jobs, or has essentially allowed 600 people to get jobs through this particular program. So lot of exciting things happen in the process of doing this program. I just want Yasser and Mohsen to sort of take a look back at the previous programs and tell me what was that one moment for each of you that made you feel like that this summer program is it. Like, ये जो मैं चीज कर रहा हूँ, this is something that's going to change the ecosystem, that's going to sort of create that impact that I'm striving for. Mohsin, if you want to go ahead with it.
यार ये देखो, ये 100 यूनिवर्सिटीज में ज्यादा रीच करना और ये 4,500 लोगों को ट्रेन करना है, इज मोर लाइक वैनिटी मैट्रिक्स, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. मुश्किल काम होता है अचीव करना, लेकिन दे आर नॉट द इंडिकेटर कि आप बता सकोगे अच्छा कोई आप जो चेंज लेके आना चाह रहे हो वो एक्चुअल में आया है कि नहीं आया. तो जब हमें एसेंशियली जब 600 लोगों को नौकरी मिली, और वो नौकरी देखो हमारी वजह से इन लोगों को मिली है, विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. हमने तो एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया जो कि शुरू में कुछ था, फिर इवॉल्व होता होता कुछ बन गया, लेकिन जब 600 लोगों ने खुद से आके उस अपॉर्चुनिटी का फायदा उठाया, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. क्योंकि हमारे प्रोग्राम में तो बहुत से लोग आए, मतलब नहीं ओवरऑल तो हमारे पास 10,000 प्लस एप्लीकेशन थी समर प्रोग्राम में, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. आई नंबर ऊपर नीचे हो जाते हैं, उनमें से 4,500 लोगों ने ट्रेनिंग पूरी की और 600 लोगों को फिर नौकरी मिली. तो सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग वही बात है कि 600 लोगों ने उस प्रोग्राम का बेनिफिट उठाया, आगे जाके खुद ही नौकरियां अप्लाई की. और जब इंडस्ट्री में भी लोगों ने देखा कि अच्छा यार इस प्रोग्राम की वजह से जब वो बच्चा जो निकल रहा है इस प्रोग्राम से उसके पास थोड़ा सा एक्स फैक्टर है, वो थोड़ा इंडस्ट्री के साथ लाइन हो रहा है, एक बहुत ही ज्यादा आके आप एक थ्योरेटिकल बात कर रहे हो. एक तो उसने कोई गेम बनाई हुई है और फिर वो हमारे साथ थोड़ी बहुत वो लिंगो बोल सकता है. तो वो जो उसका रिस्पॉन्स आया, जो इंडस्ट्री ने कुछ लोगों को हमें जब उन्होंने हमें फीडबैक दिया तो उसका बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि अच्छा कुछ अच्छा काम हुआ है. सेकेंडली, जब माँ बाप बहुत से आते थे हमारे पास, जब हमने बहुत ज़्यादा जो गेम जैम्स की, हमने प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेरेमनीज की, और पहले बड़ा नॉर्म नहीं था कि कोई गेम डेवलपमेंट का कोई पाकिस्तान में कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही हो, तो हमने वो भी 2-3 साल की. तो उसमें जब माँ बाप आए कहते थे कि नहीं हमारा बच्चा, हमें लगता था गेम डेवलपमेंट में तो टाइम पास कर रहा है, लेकिन जब वो आगे कह रहे हैं कि अच्छा नहीं यार वी रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू. सम पेरेंट्स केम फ्रॉम लाइक पेशावर, सम केम फ्रॉम कराची, just to sort of for their children sort of be over there. वो आजाद आए लाहौर के अंदर पूरा एक जब कोई गेम जैम जीता उसके साथ पार्टिसिपेट करने आए. तो दैट्स समथिंग दैट यू से लुक बैक, हाँ यार अच्छा था. बट ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग it wasn't us, it was just the students who wanted to do good.
That's a beautiful thing. Yes, what about you?
So yeah, so I would say there are hundreds of moments that I can look back at. बट पर्टिकुलरली दो चीजें हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि दोज वर काइंड लाइक द मोमेंट्स, आहा मोमेंट्स वेयर आई फेल्ट ओके वी आर ऑन द राइट path. One was from the first year we were doing it because it was COVID year. So I get on the Discord server and there is a student running a session on their own. And so they are streaming on Discord, they're building a game or something, and they're just sharing their process, and they're like 10 or 20 students sitting there and watching. And so because particularly when we talk about the youth of Pakistan, there is a lot of resentment towards youth. So we talk about, okay, these guys are not tuned in, they are not interested in learning, they don't want to do this, they don't want to do that, all of that stuff. So that was a moment where I was like, okay, we didn't ask them to come online. We didn't ask them to do this. They're just doing it themselves. That means they like it. That means we are on to something. And of course, even before that as well, when some of the challenges that Mohsin talked about, parents and everything. So I can look back at the conversations we had with the young people when we were starting the program, Arif and I. So there were a lot of moments there as well. But the second moment was the next year, 2021, which was the first year where it was kind of like a hybrid program. Um, so a lot of people come into our office and I give them this coloring exercise on day one. And most of them are looking at me with kind of like a facial expression कि यार is this ये पागल आदमी क्या चाहता है हमसे हम यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स हैं and he wants us to sit down and color on a piece of paper. So that was kind of like the vibe in the room. And I go out and I come back and I see everybody's like leaned on their desk and kind of like just kind of like coloring everything, all the boxes and all the triangles and everything. And I leave them be, and for the next 2 hours, everybody's just coloring. So suddenly everybody has forgotten all that baggage that they carry all the time, and they have become that kid that's in there, which we wanted to unlock, because the whole issue about our system is that all these kids, we talk about the young learners, we say, okay, they need to be curious, they need to be a self learner, they need to be all of that. And essentially every kid is that way, because every species kind of like does things and learns based on the reaction that they get. That's how, and human beings are no different as well. But we kill that through a slow, meticulous, shoving everybody into the same box kind of process. So that was the moment where I felt, okay, we are definitely onto something. We are doing something here that people are connecting with. And if in just an hour we are able to make them realize that childhood experience that we want to unlock, so that's when I felt, okay, we're definitely onto something and we should do even more of it. So I think two very powerful moments that I can refer back to.
Absolutely. I'm a little new in this initiative, but my sort of aha moment was actually yesterday. So one of the we're in the game jam stage of this year's program, and I'm mentoring these three kids in a group that are that are meeting each other for the first time. पहली बार ये तीनों ना एक दूसरे के साथ ग्रुप बना हुआ है, and they sat down together. And two of them were quite excited initially. They were sort of throwing in ideas. The third one was a bit, he's a bit aloof. He wasn't really he didn't match that energy, so to speak. And I got everybody on a call as part of our process of the first week. And throughout the while, I was sort of trying to identify, okay, what would get the third student to sort of engage with everybody. And initially मैंने थोड़ी सी कोशिश करी, but as mentors, and obviously these are university students, so you can't really intervene all that much. So I sort of took a step back. But I noticed that halfway into the call, they were showcasing their game ideas. Halfway into the call, the other two boys were pushing. They sort of kind of figured out at one point that the guy didn't want to make a Desi themed game. He kind of wanted to make a game around cars. So he was a big car guy. He loved his Koenigseggs and his EK Honda Civics. And initially, when I sort of was doing an icebreaker session, we kind of figured out that he was into cars. So at the end of it all, the guys sort of ditched their idea. And I was like, yeah, wait, the other two sort of ditched the idea. And they were like, wait 1 second. How about we make a drag racing casual game? जिसके अंदर हम we have like a देसी theme factor to it. तो उसमें गधे का टांगा होगा, घोड़ा गाड़ी होगी, और CD70 पे बंदा जा रहा होगा, CD125 चला रहा होगा. You sort of work your way up. पहले तुम पैदल चप्पल में भागोगे, फिर तुम रनिंग शूज लोगे, फिर रनिंग शूज लेके तुम उसके बाद तुमने गधा गाड़ी कहीं से उठा ली, फिर वो गधा गाड़ी बेच के तुमने ना दोस्त से उधार लेके तुमने ना CD70 खरीद ली. So they were sort of, they built an entire idea just to engage that third person, and at the end of the session the guy was fully on board. And to me that moment was just so interesting because it made me sort of realize not just the impact of just people working together in general, but the power of games and how it brings people together, and making games, and how it sort of, it's not an easy task making something as big as a game, or wo bhi, especially for a couple of people who are just doing it for the first time. They've never opened Unity in their life, right? Don't know what a design tool is, and they're just bringing everybody to tino ek saath milke. They're trying to involve everybody and just doing it together. And for me, that moment really touched me, and it motivated me quite a lot. So I love everybody's moments. This is great. Acha, in terms of like the game jam that happens, what's like the wildest idea that came out of any of the game jam? I know Yasir has talked about a couple, but I'd love to hear, like, okay, कौन कैसे ideas थे where you were like, what is this? This is crazy. Any thoughts?
Yes, you want to go first?
Yeah, so I think there's so many of them. So there are multiple kinds of game jams that we do. I think out of thin air, one of the things about one of the very powerful moment. I would not say for a second just the game, but a very powerful moment was when we did a game on menstrual hygiene and women health, and we ended up having a winner that were two women who were kind of like hijabi women. And so we broke a lot of stereotypes, and that's a sign of, okay, you create a very comfortable environment where young people come in and express themselves. So that was a very powerful moment, not just a game, but there are a lot of fun moments as well. I think I would say, well, so there, so वही बात है कि when you, and so one of the biggest challenge by the way in game jams is when in the ideation stage, because that's the first time most of our learners, they are doing ideation for the first time in their lives. They are university students, and that's both very powerful from the perspective of our program and very sad from the perspective of our education system, because throughout their life they have been told what to build, and this is kind of like their first moment, so they struggle a lot. But through that struggle, when we kind of like handhold them and we push them and we encourage them sometimes with all the pom poms and everything, so they come up with all sorts of crazy things. So I think one was, I was just yesterday talking about it with someone, and it was a Desi game jam. No, actually, I actually mentioned it in the orientation a few days back, where we had this Desi game jam, and जिसमें मैं बता रहा था कि एक वेले लूटने वाली गेम थी. And it was just funny. It was just hilarious. They told me that idea, and I started laughing. And I'm like, okay, everybody who knows Desi culture would associate with it, and it's a generally fun idea. And they did a very well execution. A few things here and there lacked, but that's that. Uh, another idea would be the. I think one moment was this another one of the game jams where there was this Chidiya Udi Kavada game, which was a very unique idea, and done in a fantastic kind of way. Then another एक fun moment was this game which was based on Liari, and it was a game of वो जो कंचे होते हैं, बंटे और कंचे जिनको हम कहते हैं. So कंचों की game थी, and but these guys really overdone themselves in terms of, so they did voiceovers, and they were, before every match of kanchas there were characters who would come up and dance, and there is a background voice acting that would announce for कि कौन player है from which area of Liari and everything. And so it was kind of like really really fun. Then of course from the fun ideas we talk about, जब हम out of thin air की बात करते हैं, with the whole whatever is happening around these young people, they try to express this in their games. I think one of the fresh ideas हमारा जो वो टावर डिफेंस वाला गेम जैम था उसमें somebody literally, and I loved that game, it was a beautiful execution. Somebody literally created a tower and the defense was happening on that tower. Normally the game is there is a centerpiece, whatever piece that is a gate or a location that everybody is trying to reach to and you're trying to defend it. But this was literally like the defense was happening on the tower, and it was very beautifully done kind of game. There was this mama chick that was kind of like mama hen that was trapped on top of the tower, and there were little chicks jumping in, coming up to the tower, trying to rescue it, and you were deploying different obstacles to kind of like stop them from doing it. So I think if I keep on talking about it, I'll keep on thinking about new and new different ideas that I've seen. एक last जो, because whenever we do these desi theme kind of ideas, I realize कि वो जो top 15, 20, 25 games, which is a lot of games by the way, those quality games in desi context do not exist out there. So in one of the game jams, somebody created this kite flying game, and it was just crazy mechanic and very well executed kite flying games that a lot of people have tried in the past. You'll go to Play Store and see really bad execution of kite flying. So yeah, so people really outdo themselves in terms of once they get the confidence and they can pull it off.
For sure. Always those moments are really exciting. Mohsin, what about you? I know for a fact Mohsin has a lot of games made on him throughout the game jam. ये तो मैंने बहुत सुना है कि मौसिन के ऊपर लोगों ने बहुत सारे गेम बनाए. अभी actually in fact in this current game jam there is somebody who is making a game which has all three of us as characters in it. So I'm really
Oh,
excited to see
nice.
how that comes around.
यार वो
Uh,
बेसिकली होता क्या है ना, वो एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए वो फिर वो घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर हो जाता है ना, कि वो फिर कहते हैं कि सबसे
ऐसे
पहले
ही
इन पे करो. तो इस
ऐसे
तरह
ही.
तो बहुत सी चीजें होती रही हैं. लाइक यासिर ने बहुत सी गेम्स का नाम ले लिया है. मैं इसी तरह की जब आप टीम्स वगैरह कर रहे होते, मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा मजेदार ये चीज होती थी कि जब आपने गेम बना, एक तो पहली बात ये कि आपको इतना टैलेंटेड बच्चा मिलता है पाकिस्तान में, वो इतने ऑब्वियसली उनके पास जो आइडिया होता है उसको थोड़ा प्लेबल बनाने के लिए हम उनकी हेल्प कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन उनके बहुत अमेजिंग अमेजिंग आइडियाज होते हैं. जिस तरह एक गेम आई थी जैसे थी पे मौला जेट के ऊपर, वो बहुत एपिक थी. वैसे सिंपल रनर, लेकिन जब वो एंड उसका लेवल खत्म होता है तो पूरा यूं ना कैमरा घूमता है, और द वे दे एग्जीक्यूटेड, और फिर वो पीछे से मौले नु मौला ना मारे तो मौला नहीं मरदा, पूरा घूम के आता है, वाह कर रहा होता है. तो वो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग एंडिंग थी. लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होता था जब हम गेम जैम खत्म हो जाता था तो हम उनकी इवैल्यूएशन करते थे, और बड़ा मेटिकुलस प्रोसेस होता था जो महीना डेढ़ चलता था एटलीस्ट. तो उसके अंदर हम कोई 20 मतलब एटलीस्ट 20 लोगों को जजिंग करवाते थे, डिफरेंट 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 डिपार्टमेंट्स के लेके. तो उसमें गेम आई हमारे पास, हमारी से मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ से पजल कैटेगरी का, हमारा कोई पजल के ऊपर कोई हमारा गेम जैम था. तो कुछ सीनियर लोग स्टूडियो कहते हैं कि ये तो ना कॉपी मारी भी इन्होंने गेम की, ये तो बच्चे बना ही नहीं सकते, बिकॉज द इंटायर लेवल डिजाइन वाज सो वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड. देन दे वर लाइक ये तो ना वो कोई गेम है इस तरह की ना, उन्होंने उसका ना सिर्फ कॉपी मारा हुई है, और हम उन्हें कहीं नहीं मारा हुआ, उन्होंने शायद वो हो सकता है खेल ही ना हो गेम. तो एट द एंड व्हाट हैपेंड वाज some people from our studio actually had a meeting with that team to understand कि अच्छा तुम लोगों ने सोचा कैसे ये सब कुछ. तो हमारे लिए वो बहुत, दैट फॉर मी वाज समथिंग अमेजिंग कि यार ये लोग बैठे हुए जिनका कंबाइंड एक्सपीरियंस है 50 साल हो गया यार गेम डेवलपमेंट के अंदर, और वो कहते नहीं यार ये कैसे, ये तो हम कैसे हुआ ये. तो दे एक्चुअली एंडेड अप हैविंग अ मीटिंग विद दैट टीम. तो अ लॉट ऑफ दीस थिंग्स हैव हैपेंड. तो बड़ा मजा आया. पिन पॉइंट करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है बिकॉज इतनी टीम्स आ रही होती हैं, अब रोज इतना कुछ चल रहा होता है. बट या दैट वाज लाइक एक यादगार चीज है मेरे दिमाग में.
No, I'm sure that must have been. It's always nice to see young talent being recognized in this way. ये तो बहुत मजे की सीन होता है. अच्छा, I think that's enough time for today's podcast. Is there, before I let everybody go, I just want to get an idea of what games people have been playing lately. So, Mohsin, any game that you've been playing at the moment, even if it's with the
यार
kids?
यार आई जस्ट प्ले द गेम्स विद द किड्स. तो आजकल ये लोग खेल रहे हैं व्हाट्स मारियो रन, इज दैट द गेम? मारियो रन, मारियो कार्ट, व्हाटएवर, सम मारियो गेम. और दूसरा ये दे
Right.
प्ले रोब्लॉक्स के ऊपर गेम्स, एंड माइनक्राफ्ट इज अ रियली बिग हिट इन आवर हाउस. तो आई एम जस्ट मोस्टली विद देम. आई एम नॉट लाइक वो, आई एम नॉट लाइक द गेमर बंदा. दैट्स मोर यासिर. यासिर एंड आरिफ. आरिफ इज, आई थिंक यासिर इज a बड़ा गेमर. इनफैक्ट आरिफ इज probably the biggest gamer that I know. वो दोनों तरह का गेमर.
Nice, 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 nice.
So you embarrass me every time you ask me this question. I haven't been playing a lot of games. I think um I don't know why, but I reinstalled Genshin Impact and I started playing it again.
Oh my
That's from
goodness.
that's from just very recently. I don't know why I did that. I'm playing it nowadays.
अच्छा अच्छा.
So let's see how that goes. So what's already? I mean,
For sure. Okay, so I've been having a lot of meetings where I'm meeting new people for work and for the program as well. So I love this game called Gartic Phone. It's basically like a Pictionary style game online, बहुत ही small scale. I've been playing, surprisingly been playing that a lot. Like in the past week, मेरे ख्याल से कुछ 20 sessions मैं कर चुका हूँ Gartic Phone के, which is a lot of sessions given the scale of that game. Uske alawa, for research purposes, I've discovered this beautiful indie game called Line Light. It's a puzzle game. And it's like बहुत ही छोटा सा game है. I think it's on Steam as well. And it's just basically it's just a path finding puzzle game. It's beautiful, stunning. I've been playing that on PC and on mobile, just for research purposes, of course. I've been playing a game by Habi called Arch Hero 2. It's another take on IO based games. बड़ा मजे का mechanic है उसका, a huge variety of enemies. So been looking at and referencing that a lot lately. So yeah, all of these games I highly recommend for anybody
Archero
who's
is actually
interested.
a pretty big hit. Archero is actually a pretty big hit. It's been
Yeah,
a
yeah.
big hit for a while.
So this is a successor. This is its successor. This is Arch Hero
Yeah.
2. So bada, I love the minimal graphics on it. And the variety of characters, like enemies जो हैं उसके अंदर, वो बहुत सारे हैं यार. मतलब I feel like मैंने अभी तक उसका upper threshold मुझे नहीं मिला enemies का, like what the limit is. बहुत सारे enemy की options हैं उसमें. Really good stuff.
I think sometimes इस तरह की games आती हैं, for example जैसे Squad Buster था. It was actually
Yeah.
really good fun game. A lot of thematics, a lot of enemies and everything. Oh yeah, I started, what is it? Actually I did start क्या है, was it is it Moko or Maiko क्या, the Supercell की नई game. So I've started playing it as well. That's another game I
Yeah.
picked up. So it's a what do you call it? It's a casual RPG, I would say. That's probably the best way to kind of like define it. So think
So
of
Yasser, I'm guessing you're a big
very
RPG
casual Dota.
guy.
ये
I
अच्छी
see.
गेम
So
लग रही
I'm
है
not.
सुपरसेल वाली.
I'm not at all actually.
Interesting.
I try all sorts of games. I like indie experiences. I primarily played a lot of multiplayer games, and in that genre, of course, I played a lot of shooter games. I don't know. I probably am not actually definitely am not that good at it, but yeah. But no, not an RPG guy, I would say. Not
I
for
see.
sure.
I see. Interesting. Cool. I'll have a look at. I don't know what it's called. Let me see. ये Supercell का क्या नया निकला है?
It's
Supercell game.
more.co.
Yeah, it's Mo.co or something.
More.co. It looks like a good game. I'll play this one though. I'll ask Zen to play this. He'll like it.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a very casual kind of game. I'm nowadays, I don't know, I have commitment issues with games. So, so I kind of like try to keep
Yeah,
it very
same.
light. So I'm kind of struggling आजकल because of course a full on AAA commitment is not possible for me, but I am kind of like slightly off hyper or hybrid casual as well. I was of course playing last month. I was playing a lot of वो जो nuts and bolts वाली 3D versions of those games and everything.
Screw jam and stuff. Yeah.
So yeah, I did a lot of that. Those were kind of like good experiences. But thoda sa I'm now kind of like I'm figuring nowadays casual or at best mid-core is my genre nowadays. So I'm more comfortable trying something out in that genre as compared to more hybrid casual or AAA. So I'm kind of like settling somewhere in the middle.
All right. I think those are good enough, good suggestions for anybody who is actually looking to take in our suggestions. I think that is all for us. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody who has tuned in. If you guys enjoy this conversation and especially Mohsin's love for Atif Aslam, please drop a like and do subscribe for more content like this. Furthermore, please, I'm getting a thumbs down from Yasir.
यार प्लीज
But
फॉर माय लव फॉर आतिफ असलम, अगर लोग कमेंट्स में वो लम्हे, वो यादें, भीगी भीगी रातों के लिरिक्स भेजें ना और यासर को टैग करें तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी. तो प्लीज डू दैट.
You're getting a double
what
thumbs
we
down
can
now.
do, but this could turn out to be a war on our social media, and I will build an entire campaign around this. Let's do it. But that's been us, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you guys next week. Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज.
And that's been us.